me on the track so you know it's lit.
Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you how I make my wig hat, and today you will need a baseball hat or any type of cap you may have on hand. You will need some hair. It could be some used hair or any hair that you have on hand. Today I'm using some deep curly 12-inch hair, and I'm only going to use one bundle. You will need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks as well. So let's get started. Remember to secure your cap onto your canvas block head or your mannequin head, whatever that you are using. Cut any tags that you may have on the cap and make sure that that cap is secure before you start hot gluing your hair down on the cap. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just measuring where I want to place the hair at, and I'm just going to go all the way around the cap and then cut it off at the other end. So I'm going to speed up this video just a tad bit so it won't be too long. So you guys keep watching and I will come back on for the final results. Okay, she is complete. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll through, just make sure that everything is in place and is secure. All the tracks are laid down. So now I'm going to take my lint roller and just clean up some of that glue a little bit. Now you can add more hair if you would like. It's just that I think one bundle was enough for me. This is my own personal hat that I am going to wear. And so yeah, if you want more hair, you can always add more hair. But she is complete. hope you guys enjoyed the video today of me making this curly hair wig cap. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload the next video. I will have another video coming soon showing you how I make my crochet wig units. On this channel, I will also do reviews and all sorts of things. So thank you guys for watching. Peace and love. Until next time.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit. Track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.